Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss computer network. Computer network unit 1, part B for class 10th. Today I discuss in related this topic what is computer network, what is the advantage of computer network, what is the disadvantage of computer network. So, my dear student, what is the computer network? A network consists of two or more computers that a network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources such as printers, and CD. Exchange files or folders or allow electronic communication. My dear student, you go to the bank and you saw that the one main computer is established in one place, and there are the so many computers are attached in this main computer. This is called to the hub. Suppose you buy to the DTH cable, and your home there are the two TV available in this home, and the one DTH cable in attached in this two TV system. This is called to the hub. This network is consist of mainly are related to the two or more computers, and these computers are to the interlinked, and they have to the share to the information and to the resources. Two very common type of network. You're already studying class 8 types of network, but I am not discussing types of network. I am discussing mainly computer networks. So two very first LAN and the second WAN. LAN means local area network. Local area network. WAN means wide area network. This is the computer networks connects nodes like computer network connect nodes like computer, routers and switches using cable, fiber optics, or wireless signal. This connection allow devices in a network to communicate and share information and resources. This is the computer network. So computer network is mainly connected to computers, routers, fiber optics, wireless signals. The best example of the Jio fiber. Jio is launched in the 5G, and you have to the huge level of use in the fiber optics wire, and this connection allow the device in the communicate and to the share information and resources. This is the computer network. My dear student, my second topic, what is the advantages of computer network? There are so many such type of advantages, but I discuss only 5 advantages. Advantages of computer network. First, exchange of information. I have not write down what is actually. I only for the discuss. Exchange of information. Suppose you work with any such type of office. So your boss is asked to one email is sent in my mail ID. So without network there is the impossible. So networking is the very important role for the any such type of sharing the information. Suppose you post to the any such type of mail in other email ID. So without network this is possible कि how to extend to the information. This is not to the possible. So exchange to the information is mainly related to the networking system. My second, resource sharing. Resource sharing. What is the resource sharing? Suppose you open to the new office and there are 40 employees in work in your office, and 40 computer system you purchase. So are you possible कि these the all system are installed to the every such type of the network? No. So one main computer system are attached in this particular system, in this all over to the 40 system. One main computer, this is called the mother computer. So mother computer is all such type of information are collect in this here, and all information is passed into the all 40 such type of the computer. This is called to the resource sharing. My second, reduce cost. Reduce cost. You just example, in your school, suppose you are the 15 student present in this class 10th, and all our students pass out in the 10th board, and all our data is available in new area, and the all our data is attached in the MIS Hisua. So without, suppose no any such type of network available, so one man is come in this new area branch, and then all over to the such type of data is received, and then after, so there is a huge level of time, costing rate is the high. So one man is scanned to all to the 15 data, all to the 15 result, and sent to the MIS Hisua, and all our data sent to the Hisua, and then after all such type of data are print out. So the reduced cost, this is the important point. Networking system is always time is covered to the reduced cost. Fourth, it is highly flexible. It is highly flexible. It is highly flexible means, suppose you are the 10 members available in your group, and suppose one friend send to the one difficult question in your teacher, but your teacher is not fond of you. So one friend is sent to the data in the teacher, and the teacher again make to all over to the such type of a question in this group. The one question is sent to the one boy, but the all over 10 boy is received to the data. Why it possible? Because it is the highly flexible. 5G, 2G. First launch is the 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, 6G, 7G. What is the G? This is the highly flexible. 2G speed, the different. 3G speed, some different. 4G speed. There are the high speed of data. The message or the any such type of document is received in the faster than to the other such type of the networking systems. My last, it boosts a storage capacity. It boosts a storage capacity. A storage capacity means you store to the large amount of the data. Suppose your mail ID, I send to the data in your mail ID, and suppose approx 100 page your send to the mail ID. Without a storage capacity, how is possible the 100 copy stored in your mail ID? This is impossible. So the computer network is always time facility provided you boost to the storage capacity of the data. This is the 5 benefit or advantages. Disadvantages. First, it requires an expensive setup. It requires an expensive setup. My dear student, today school is closed. Some students are not available in the mobile phone, and your school is provided in the online classes. So many students go to the market and purchase to the one mobile phone, and nowadays time approx the Android phone is minimum starting for the 8,000 minimum, and maximum so and so. So without mobile phone, how to open the online classes? So without mobile phone, how to open to the networking system? So this is the electronic devices. First of all, you purchase to the electronic devices, and then after enter your SIM card and fill in your SIM card. क्या आपका नेटवर्क स्टार्ट हो जाएगा? नो. You again put to the some such type of amount, approx 600 amount. You enter in your SIM card, then facility provide total cost 8600. So this is the expensive. First number point. Second, it possesses security difficulty. It possesses security difficulty. Suppose everybody log to the phone, log to the main files, log to the main such type of main data. Suppose anybody know that your security and then open to your mobile phones, and the some such type of data are theft. This is the lost of your life. I remember this is the one movie, that is the Pukar, Anil Kapoor. The very fantastic movie. Madhuri Dixit is go to the military office, and some such type of data is theft. Anil Kapoor is the lieutenant colonel, that is the lieutenant. So then after open to the all such type of message, Anil Kapoor, after some time the military is always time said that Anil Kapoor is go to home, and this is the very difficult punishment. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? So this is the movie of To the Pukar. This movie is always time in the security difficulty. My third point, it lack independence. Nowadays, so many people are dependent on the mobile phone. 99.99% in the survey of USA and to the survey of Google, 99.99% people are fully dependent to the networking system. 10 minutes you lost to the network. आदमी को खाना पीना नहीं सोचता, लेकिन नेटवर्किंग सोचता है. नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग इज द वेरी ह्यूज लेवल ऑफ द मार्केटिंग ऑनलाइन. आप सोच नहीं सकते हो 10 मिनट के लिए यदि नेटवर्क चला जाए तो नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग को 10 मिनट में अरबों रुपया की लॉस हो सकती है. Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba.com, they all such type of the network marketing. Every people they have to the always time search to the product. Suppose my India population 131 crore. Suppose 131 crore and the search to the 1 crore people in 1 minute, and then to the all of such type of data are available, and then to the payment and make to the payment, give up to the payment in company, and network is the lost. The 10-minute network is lost. There are so many such type of amount is lost in this company. This is the third point. My fourth point is lack of my fourth point is virus or malware. Nowadays everybody is made to the online payment. Suppose I give to the payment of any such type of man, and the man is said to the what is the account number, what is the every such type of information. So computer hackers, networking hackers is always time deduct to the viruses. So virus is a very crucial role in the network marketing. So this is the main important point of your computer network. My dear student, usage of computer network, there are so many such type of usage of computer network. First usage communications, second usage sharing software. What is the communication? Communication means the idea interchange with the one person to the another person. Suppose mobile phone, without network your mobile phone is not working. Suppose I will communicate to you without network, I send to the data. No, this is the impossible. So this is the communication is a very important role to the computer networking. Second, sharing software. Suppose you download to the any such type of software, share it. Suppose I example also share it. Share the very fast sharing data software. I put to the data in another such type of the mobile phone, and this mobile phone is not installed in the share it. So the other person is installed in the share it, and they have to the easily put to the data in another mobile phone. So without software, how it is possible? Bluetooth is the very short amount of the data is sending. So my third, data sharing means they have to the any such type of information sharing. So my dear student, today I have discussed to all of us such type of point. Thank you so much. Thanks.